Hi, it's Dr. Emily, functional podiatrist. Are you experiencing plantar heel pain? Maybe a little bit of plantar fasciitis or what feels like heel spur syndrome? I have a great foot padding that I love to recommend to my patients that helps to offload the area where you feel most of those symptoms. Now, in plantar fasciitis, heel pain, and even heel spurs, typically, the patient will complain of pain very sharply noted here. Now, this can sometimes be a little bit towards the center of the heel that the patient will say that it feels like a sharp needle right there in the center of my heel. Now, any of those types of symptoms, this is all about trying to redistribute pressure so that we avoid any sort of direct pinpoint pressure or hot spots. So for this, we want to use a foot pad that is referred to as a horseshoe. Now, this is a pad that I recommend to my patients. You get this from HapPad, which you can get at hapad.com. And if you see the padding, there's this center piece that we're actually going to pop out. So we're going to pull this out. And then when I look at it, what I have left is kind of a U-shaped pad. This padding, when placed on the heel, is going to take all that pressure away from that center, which is oftentimes where you experience your symptoms. So if we look at this on our foot, it's going to be here, and you could see how that sharp tubercle, or where you get that plantar fascia attachment, is going to fall right into where we have that void. So the horseshoe pad, I like to place on the underside of the insole. So take the sock liner or the insole out of your shoe, flip it over, and you're going to put that horseshoe pad into the back of that insole. When you place this back into your shoe, again, you're going to get an offload of that pressure at the plantar aspect of your heel. Now, this horseshoe pad integrated into your shoes is part of a complete recovery program for plantar fasciitis and heel spurs. Your goal is try to avoid sharp pinpoint pressure, redistribute pressure, and that horseshoe pad does a great job at providing relief. Now again, this pad specifically that I'm using is from HapPad. It's made of a very special high quality felt. If you're interested in purchasing, it's at hapad.com, HAPAD.com. To learn more about functional podiatry, please visit dremilysplickle.com.